Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings and enjoying the readings. Do like the channel, share the channel and subscribe the channel so that you will know as and when I bring the videos again. And do share it with your friends also for them to be guided. So again, it's a pick a card. That's your card 1, set of card 1 and set of card 2s. I shall give you all a couple of seconds to decide which is the card that is meant for you. Okay, so now let's start with card 1. Okay, it's a beautiful card. That's a 3 of earth and that's a maiden of water. When I see the 3 of earth, I feel beautiful plans. I feel as if things are going to go really well, and it indicates that everything is good. It's just that you need to bring everything together under one. Maybe see here, if you see, there are flowers everywhere, but if these flowers come together, it becomes a bouquet. If they come together, they symbolize as a bunch of miracles or bunch of happiness. So maybe that is what the cards are trying to say. So if you do that, then it is like this, the dolphin, which will be happy. So if at work you're not getting the right support, you're not getting the right help, then you need to see what has to be done, that you get the right help and the right support and things fall in your favor, so that you're able to manage work, or you're able to bring a magic like this, so that the way you plan, all your works are happening. And when I am seeing these cards, I feel that this is whatever streamlining has to be done. The streamlining has to be done in your relationship. Maybe people at home are not listening to you, or your husband or your wife is being very rude with you and is not you know um, loving you or respecting you the way they are supposed to do, and that is why this is happening. So what you can do is, you can just take a small handful of salt and a handful of wheat and tie this in maybe a white cloth. Okay, keep it in your hand and say that at my home things are in control and I am able to handle everything beautifully karke. Take a white cloth and put one handful of salt, rock salt, and a handful of um, wheat in it. Tie it and keep it in your living room for say 15-20 minutes, and whenever you're going out, or even more than that, but whenever you're going out, just take it and put it somewhere in the crossroads or in the corner of some street, and don't turn back and look. And today you should wear something in white so that you get clarity as to how you can take things forward, and how you can work towards handling everything in your favor, to be very precise. Okay, so now let's see what is the second set of cards coming. A beautiful card, wisdom, and another beautiful card, spell casting. So now here, if you see, the wisdom basically is saying that you need to combine your intelligence with your intuition and plan your day, be it at your home or at your office. You need to work towards it. Try to understand how to go in a beautiful combination where you work on your logical thinking, and at the same time you do what your third eye or your intuition asking you to do, so that things work beautifully. So now if you combine your intellect and if you combine your intuition, then what will happen is you will understand what is happening around you, and you will be able to work successfully. You will be able to bring to light things which have been getting postponed for a long time. You will be able to work towards becoming successful in your career, becoming successful in your personal life, and at the same time you will be able to handle things in a way where you will be surprised at your own talents. So it's actually a beautiful day. Just that go by your inner intuition and logical thinking, and not only one simple thing. Today I want to tell you all a small tip. Take 12 Gomati chakras and take a cloth. This cloth can be a white cloth or a red cloth. Put the Gomati chakras and put it inside this cloth, tie it and hang it in your entrance, because I feel in the upcoming days you need to work on a lot of money coming in your life, and for that this will work beautifully. So those who have selected card 2 and those who have selected card 1 can also follow this advice, but for card 2 mainly, take these Gomati chakras and tie it and hang it in your entrance. Today wear something in green and Have a blessed day, both the card holders. Have a blessed day. Have a beautiful day, and God bless you all with loads of happiness, health, wealth, and abundance. Thank you.